How to turn off text to speech on Discord. So here is a quick step-by-step guide on how to turn off text to speech TTS on Discord. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Discord app or go to the discord.com. So here I'm using the website version. All you have to do is open your preferred web browser, then insert chat whisper, type down the Discord and navigate to its official website. So also make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Then, once you're inside the Discord, click on the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then navigate to the user settings. Then, once inside the user settings, at the left hand side panel, scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available there. Once you tap on the accessibility, there you will get to see TTS option available at the bottom. Now all you have to do is scroll down unless you see text to speech option available there. And once you find it, simply toggle off the switch. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.